Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to work on power double 3 turns to power rockers from senior move in the field test. We will start from standstill position and I'm going to do just backward power pulls to try to get a lot of speed working with your knees and ankles. Next we're going to do just double 3 turns both directions with one power pull. So you're going to go on the right leg first and do an outside, backward outside and backward inside double 3 turns, trying to get speed. Important part of it is to start from standstill position and try to gain speed, working with your knees, ankles, upper body and free leg. Now we're going on the left foot here and doing backward outside and backward inside 3 turns. This is just easier to start with. Now we're going to do same with rockers. Going outside rockers and inside rockers. Again, we started from standstill position and trying to work our power from there and increase speed. Same we're going to do on the left foot. Pull and throw and quick turns. If quick is too hard, go slow first. Make sure that you have good edges on the rockers. And same with 3 turns. And then go quicker and quicker until you can have both edges and quickness. And at the end, we're going to put all this together and do our pattern, starting from backward outside double 3 turns, followed by backward inside and forward inside rocker. You're going to do 3 sets on one side, and then you're going to repeat this on other foot. Backward outside double 3 turn, power pull, and inside rockers. That was the first one, and second one we start from backward inside double 3 turn, followed by outside rockers. So backward inside double 3 turn and backward outside forward outside rocker with only one power pull between. Work with your knees, ankles, try to get more power between to get some speed, and follow by other foot. 3 sets on other foot. Thank you for watching. Happy practice.